Hey guys, welcome to another edition of sellmycomicbooks.com vintage comic book unboxing. We just realized that there was another short box in that the previous box that we opened, so we're just gonna do that one in this video. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, come on. Alright, this looks like a good box. Lots of... Oh. Actually, I think let me start this way.
Oh, and it's everybody's favorite.
Oh, look at that. We start off good. ASM 121. Nice. Yeah, let's make that in a separate pile. 122. Hey,
Oh.
121. Or 129.
That looks like it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah,
too.
it's pretty nice. Wow, look at that. Probably up in the VF range. Sweet. 135. Pretty nice.
That's Tarantula's origin, right?
That's the second Punisher.
Second Punisher.
Well, hey, that's why
I think it's.
It
I
might.
think it is his origin.
But that's not why it's valuable though.
First Black Cat.
Yeah. First Black Cat.
And that's the third Punisher?
I think so, yeah.
I know it's his first battle van, but no one cares about his battle van.
Oh no, I care about his battle van. His battle van's awesome. First Hobgoblin.
Does it have the tattoos?
I can't feel them in there. I don't know. This one is, you know, first black costume. Marvel Team Up 1. First Rhino. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, he's evolving in pretty decent shape so far,
Yeah.
considering.
Wow, this one's really nice too. It's 25.
That almost looks like a modern. It's so nice.
Yeah, I mean it's probably, I don't know, maybe a 7 to the bag. ASM 17. And we go to 18. These are decent. 27. 30. Wow, look at that one. That's nice too. And 34. 35. 36. Second copy of 36, not as nice. 37. 43. 44. $4.
If only.
Yeah. Well, the condition definitely does vary. 2 copies of 49.
Whoever had this collection was probably upgrading.
Yeah. They weren't buying them off the rack, they were buying them secondhand. 5. But you know, most of them are decent.
Yeah, most of them seem like they're in pretty good shape. And the ones that are more beat up, he seems to have 2 or 3 copies
Yeah.
of.
Oh, it just keeps going. See, then you got 62, but then 63 is really low grade. 64. 75 cents. 66. 67, 68, 70. 76, 77, 78. Let's skip ahead. I mean, I'm sure you've all seen a run of Spideys before.
Do they have, what is it, 96, the non-code issue?
Both of them.
Nice.
That doesn't have a stamp on it either. Those are 3?
Maybe it was 97 and 98? But I didn't see one on 96.
No stamp on that one. Not on that one. Nor that one.
I thought there was only 2, but I guess I was wrong.
$99. Oh, it skips. No first Morbius or 100. Not too bad. That's a Doctor Strange appearance. That's popular. Wow, we definitely saved the good box for last, didn't we?
Yeah, no kidding.
Luke Cage appearance. And 25. Alright guys, well, that's it. Thanks for checking out our video. As always, you can find us on the internet at sellmycomicbooks.com. We're also on eBay at sellmycomicbooks, Instagram at sellmycomicbooks, on Facebook at sellmycomicbooks. And we'll see you next time. Bye.